What if I told you that time and space moves faster than it does on Earth? And that if we didn't account for it, your phone's GPS would be wrong by 7 miles every single day.
Hi, I am Maya. Meet my sidekick, ALBI. He knows just about everything. Stick around to find out how your phone uses Einstein's craziest ideas to know exactly where you are. Catch me if you can, ALBI.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I can keep up, Maya.
ALBI, that was a great run. I feel like we ran for miles.
My sensors say we hit 2.1 miles. Perfect for a healthy heart boost.
Come on. Why is the GPS so slow? ALBI, how does my phone even know where I am?
Great question. The answer isn't down here on Earth. It's way up in space. Picture this. There's a whole team of 31 special satellites orbiting Earth. Your phone is basically a super good listener, waiting for their signals.
Whoa, so my phone talks to satellites?
Yep, it just listens. Once it hears from at least 4 of them, it can use their signals to pinpoint your exact location. It's a process called multilateration.
Cool. So it just needs 4 signals, and that's it?
That's just the beginning. The real trick isn't about your location. It's about the time. It sounds weird, but the clocks on those satellites actually run faster than any clock on Earth.
Faster? How is that possible?
It's all because of this super smart guy, Albert Einstein. He figured out that time isn't the same for everyone. It gets all bendy depending on 2 things: speed and gravity. The rules are pretty simple. The faster you go, the slower time gets for you. And the weaker the gravity, the faster time gets.
Okay, so how does that work for the satellites?
Well, first, speed. The satellites are zooming through space, and going that fast makes their clocks tick a tiny bit slower. But then there's gravity. They're so far from Earth that gravity's pull is weaker. For clocks, weaker gravity means they tick faster.
Wait, so they slow down and speed up at the same time?
Exactly. Think of it like this. Every day, weaker gravity makes the satellite clocks gain 45 microseconds, but their high speed makes them lose 7. So, they end up winning by 38 microseconds. It's a tiny amount, but if we didn't correct for it, your GPS would be off by almost 7 miles every single day.
No way! So all of Einstein's theories about fast clocks and gravity are all happening right now. Just put a blue dot on my map? That's incredible!
It's one of the greatest real-world proofs of his ideas, happening in your hand millions of times a day. Pretty awesome, right?
Absolutely. Wow, I learned so much! ALBI! Thanks for explaining all that.
You are most welcome, Maya. My purpose is to help you be curious. Ask me anything anytime.
Thanks, ALBI! Anyway, I should probably get home now. My mom's waiting. I'll see you later.
Take care and stay curious.
Bye-bye, ALBI!
Bye now, Maya.